first?
Yeah,
wait, what do you want?
hot dog.
Ah, come on.
Let's go to 53rd and get the halal meat.
Let's do it, yeah. Yo. Hey. Da, 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 boom.
Give me a dog with kraut. What kind of mystery meat you got over here?
There's some kraut on that beast.
I want a hot dog.
Some kraut on that beast.
I don't know. It's a mystery over here.
Did anyone solve the mystery?
Stop crying.
Scooby-Doo and the mystery van are coming.
That's not a soubrette, bro.
We got cat, we got rat.
Is that a rat or a cat we're getting?
I love it. I love it.
Yo, I love you. My dry cleaner.
I love you. Oh my God. Is that Naomi Campbell?
Yeah. That is Naomi Campbell.
It is Naomi Campbell.
Oh my God. Yeah.
That's her. Oh my God. That's her.
You look great. It's a video. Just rock out. It's all right. Wow, is that a one piece?
Whoa.
Yeah. Rock it. Camera loves you.
I want a picture of Naomi Campbell.
No press.
With the crowd. What's the crowd?
What's her name?
Naomi Campbell.
I'm serious. I'm serious. I don't like that. I don't take like pictures of the stage for it. No,
Tell them how it is. Tell them how it is. Just tell them how it is. No, you have to pay her. Ask her how much for a picture. Ask her how much for a picture.
How much? How about my fucking...
How about some crowd? How about some crowd?
What did you get? A hot dog?
We videotaping?
Some crowd on that. Call it even.
Fish taco.
How about that? A little crowd on that piece. We're good. What do you think? 100%. Let's make a deal. I'm negotiating. Oh, I love
it. Why did one of you get a hot dog and one of you got meat?
Have a good night, ladies.
Good night.
Four.
Is that very nice?
I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry.
Don't apologize to me. Apologize to the whole.
I'm sorry, whore.
I love America and
Very nice.
is America in New York?
No.
Where is America? This America you speak of? Do you know what this America is? What are you eating, Irish boy?
Osby's and Ria's models. If you want to take some pictures of me, you gotta pay my shits.
Osby's hooked on phonics works for me.
Osby's and Ria's models. You must have named meats. Nobody likes meats tonight.
Just a boss. Ain't nobody takes a picture of me.
You gotta put some